Morning to everyone. Today we will discuss about medicinal plant and diabetes. Diabetes Diabetes is a major cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attack, and stroke. About 108 million people was affected in 1980, 422 million in 2014. In 2016, an estimated 1.6 million deaths were directly caused by diabetes. WHO estimates that diabetes was the seventh leading cause of death in 2016. Diabetes caused 4.2 million deaths in 2019. Diabetes, it means it is the condition in which the body does not properly process food to get energy. Most of the food is turned into glucose or sugar. The pancreas, an organ that lies near the stomach, makes a hormone called insulin, which helps glucose get into the cell of our bodies. It is a chronic disease that occurs either when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. You can observe the symptoms: always hungry, numbness or tingling on hand, weight loss, frequent urination, sexual disorder, extreme fatigue, complications. You can observe the all complications, prevention like exercise, avoid alcohol, see a doctor, health impacts. Over time, diabetes can damage the heart, blood vessel, eyes, kidney, and nerves. Adults with diabetes have a 2 to 3-fold increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Combined with reduced blood flow, neuropathy, nerve damage in the feet increase the chances of foot ulcer. Diabetes is the cause of 2.6% of global blindness. Diabetes is among the leading causes of kidney failure. Now, medicinal plants and diabetes. So these are the common medicinal plants worldwide used plants against diabetes like watermelon, cinnamon, Palex ginseng, golden seal, fenugreek, and Gymnema sylvestris. You can observe here that some papers they have published and plants used in diabetes like aloe vera, then chloroxylum swietenia, coccinia grandis, Simplochus capuchinensis, Utia dioica, Anacardium occidental. Now we will discuss about the herbal drugs which is used in diabetes. First we will discuss about decoction. So what is decoction? Raw medicinal plants from wild cultivated land or market. We will collect. Then we clean with water, mixing on small pieces or boiling in water. The result will be decoction. So Tinospora cordifolia, family Merispermaceae, parts use stem and leaves, mode decoction. It is a climber. Next plant which is used in diabetes is Agel marmelas, family Rutaceae, parts used leaves, mode decoction. This is the Ficus racemosa, a tree species, belongs to family Moraceae, parts used fruit, and mode is decoction. This is endographic paniculata. It belongs to family Acanthaceae, parts used leaves, mode is a decoction against diabetes. It is Oroxylum indicum. It belongs to family Bignoniaceae, parts used leaves, mode is a decoction. This is Rauwolfia tetraphylla. It belongs to family Echinacea. Parts used root, mode is a decoction. This is Centella asiatica, a aquatic herb. It belongs to family Apiaceae. Parts used leaves, mode is decoction. It is Asparagus racemosus. It is a climbing shrub. Family Asparagaceae. Parts used root. Mode is a decoction. This is Catharanthus roseus. It is a ornamental plant species. It belongs to family Ecosinaceae. Parts used flower and leaves. Mode is a decoction. This is Nectanthus arboretris. It belongs to family Oleaceae. Parts used flower. Mode is a decoction. The leaves are also used in malaria and fever. It is Momodica chalensia or bitter gourd. It belongs to family Cucurbitaceae. Parts used fruit and tender leaf. Mode is decoction. Now we will discuss about the infusion. Which type of infusion is used in diabetes? How we will make the infusion? Raw medicinal plants from wild cultivated land or market we will collect. Clean with water. Steeping with water, oil or alcohol overnight. The liquid will be the infusion. First is Terminalia arjuna. It is a tree species. Usually it grows near river bank. It belongs to family Combretaceae. Parts used bark. Mode infusion. Syzygium cumini. It is a tree species. Again it grows near water bodies, near river. It belongs to family Myrtaceae. Parts used fruits. Mode infusion, but ripened fruits are also consumed in diabetes. Sometimes seeds are dried, make powder, and the powder is used in diabetes. Artocarpus heterophyllus. It belongs to family Moraceae. Parts used leaves or tender leaves. Mode infusion. Phylum Pinnatum. It belongs to family Crucilaceae. Parts used leaves. Mode infusion. It is also used in kidney problems. Nilumbo nucifera. It belongs to Nilumbinaceae family. Parts used stem. Mode infusion. Alastonia sclerosis. It is a very common tree species which comes under the avenue plantation. It also reduces heavy metals. It belongs to family Ecosinaceae. Parts used bark. Mode infusion. Phyllanthus umbilica. It belongs to family Phyllanthus. Parts used fruit. Mode raw. We can consume raw in diabetes. This is Terminalia bellerica, family Combretaceae. Parts used fruit. Mode raw, difficult to consume the raw. Usually we consume in powder form, and Terminalia bellerica is also an ingredient of Triphala. Alpinia glanga. It belongs to family Gingiveraceae. Parts used rhizome. Mode raw. Azadirachta indica. It is a tree species. Family Meliaceae. Parts used leaf. Parts used leaves. Mode raw. Flowers are also consumed in diabetes. Usually, local people, tribal or urban, rural people, they collect the flowers and they consume as a vegetable against diabetes. This is Terminalia cebula. It belongs to family Combretaceae. Parts used fruit. Mode raw. The fruits are also used against cold and cough. And this is again ingredient of Triphala. Piper longum. It is a climber. It belongs to Piperaceae family. Parts used fruit. Mode raw. The tea made up by made up by the fruits is used against asthma, against cold and cough. Gymnema sylvester. It is a good mud. It is popularly known as good mud. It belongs to family Ecosinaceae. Leaves are used in diabetes. The mode is raw. Sometimes we do fun because when we consume the leaves of Gymnema sylvestris, you will lose the taste of sweetness. So this is the key character of this climber and very popularly used in diabetes. This is Citrus aurantium. It belongs to family Rutaceae. Parts used fruit, mode raw. Caparis deciduea. It belongs to family Caparicaceae. Parts used flowers, mode is raw. This is Murraya keunji. It belongs to family Rutaceae. Parts used flowers, mode raw. Sometimes we make one formulation with the flower, leaves and lady fingers. Just you keep in one glass of water, okay, keep overnight. In morning you can take the water. That water is able to reduce the complications of diabetes. This is Trigonella phoenum, family Fabaceae, parts used seed, particularly aqueous extract. This is the Streptophyta indica. It belongs to family Fabinaceae. Parts used whole plant, mode aqueous extract. This is Stevia rubindiana. Belongs to Stacey family. Parts used leaf, mode aqueous extract. This is Cusonia arborea. The bark is used as an aqueous extract in diabetes. This is Poster. It is also known as insulin plant. I think there is three species of this genus, and all the species of this genus is used in diabetes. Parts used leaves, mode aqueous extract. Pterocarpus marsupium, very important in diabetes. It belongs to family Fabaceae. Parts used wood, mode aqueous extract. You can observe here in market the cup of the cup made up by the Bija Pterocarpus marsupium is available, okay, which is used in diabetes, in treatment of diabetes. And these are the evidences you can read. Okay. So you can observe someone published that a hypoglycemic activity of Pterocarpus marsupium. They published in phytotherapy research, a very good journal of Wiley. Now, other important preventive plants against diabetes like Momodica gerencia, Syzygium cumini, Gymnema sylvestris, Trigonella, Tinospora cordifolia, Ocimum tiniflorium or Ocimum basilicum. They are easily available. We can use them against diabetes. Now, their specific key character, their mechanisms. Mechanism of Trigonella. The therapeutic effect of fenugreek seed on diabetes is at least partially due to the direct stimuli of an amino acid called hydroxysoleukin for one insulin secretion from beta cells. Following cell damage, the activity of CA-ATPase and NAKPTH pumps decrease the consumption of fenugreek seeds by reducing the free radicals, eliminating these disorders. Gymnema sylvester. Gymnemic acid molecules have a receptor on the surface of the outer layers of the intestine that prevents the absorption of sugar molecules by the intestine, which leads to a decrease in blood sugar level. Syzygium. The CAMP content increase Langerhans, which is associated with increased insulin production. This role play a role in converting penicillins to insulins with increased activity of capsaicin. It increases the activity of insulin and inhibit the activity of NA by K-ATPase from the patient's erythrocytes. Momodicacerencia. It inhibits glucose 6-phosphatase in addition to fructose 1,6-bis sepasphate in the liver and stimulates glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Cinnamon. Lowering effect work by promoting insulin secretion, increased insulin sensitivity, and increased glucose elimination. Also, cinnamon seems to have insulin-like effects by regulating PTB1B and insulin receptor kinase. Terminalia cellula. Due to its significant hypoglycemia, the extract may inhibit the formation of advanced glycosylated products. It helps to increase the secretion of insulin from beta cells. So thank you very much for these sessions, and we discussed about the diabetes and their prevention.